Replace the print head and cable. The following actions are performed. Please do it after the machine is powered off. Locate the printer. There are 2 sets of screws on the side of the printer cover. Remove the 2 sets of screws. Remove the orange cover. Locate the printer dashboard. There are fixing screws on the sides of the control panel. Remove the 4 fixing screws. Remove the orange cover. Visible cable connections. Pull out for ink sacs. Attention! Be careful when pulling out the ink sac. You can see the sprinkler head. There are 4 fixing screws on the sprinkler head. Remove the 4 fixing screws in turn. Pull out the sprinklers. Use a rag to wipe off any remaining ink in the grooves. 2 cables are connected to the bottom of the sprinkler head. Unplug both cables. The other end of the cable is connected to the printer control board. Unplug the cables together. Take out the new cable. Note, the cable can be numbered for the next step. Remove the new nozzle. Attention! Number to row of wires is inserted into the side where the nozzle has a protrusion. The number 1 line is inserted on the other side. Insert the cables into both sides of the sprinkler head. Attention! The cable connector and the print head interface should be aligned. Place the sprinkler head back into the groove. Re-tighten the 4 sets of screws. Get the cables in order. Thread the other end of the cable through the control board opening. There are 1, 2, 3, and 4 interfaces on the control board, with a total of 4 interfaces. Please insert the cable into the cable duct correctly. Insert the number 1 cable into the 3rd connector. Insert the number 2 cable into the 4th connector. And make sure the 2 cables are plugged in tightly. Reinsert the 4 ink sacs back in order, from left to right, black, red, blue, and yellow. Keep the ink tube at a certain distance from the radiator. Avoid burning the ink tube. Replace the control board cover. Re-tighten the 4 sets of screws. Replace the printer cover. Tighten the 2 sets of screws. The sprinkler head and cable are replaced.